Today we will be testing a trend trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a trend trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 548 different strategies. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator to trade the crypto scalping strategy that I'll mention in this video on a live trading account. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a trend trading strategy. And so the source video says, I tested the new secret indicator for 30 days and you won't believe the results. And so the source video obviously is claiming to have a secret indicator. We've been through this many times before. There's no real secret indicators on TradingView. All these indicators are public, and most of the time they have been viewed or at least used by many of people, usually at least tens, 20s, hundreds of people. And so now, as far as whether or not you will believe the results, I guess that's kind of up to you to determine, how good this strategy really is overall. And so what we'll do is obviously put this strategy to the test and see what we can get out of it. We'll hide the two indicators we have on screen now. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the range filter Hall suite indicator. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And we're going to jump into the settings and go into the inputs, and we're going to scroll down here close to the bottom. And what you're going to do is you're going to change this source here to close, the sampling period to 21, the range multiplier to 3. Then down here a little bit lower, we're going to change the length here to 21 and the length multiplier to 4. Then you're going to want to scroll up, or I guess just jump over into the styles, and you're going to want to make sure that the bar coloration is unchecked and everything else is as you can see on screen now. Go ahead and click OK. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the Hall oscillator. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And again, we're going to jump into the settings, go into the inputs, and you're going to change the fast line to 20, slow line to 70, and the signal line to 80. And then jump into the styles, and you're going to turn off the plot and this one right here, which is the histogram bars. And you can make sure that the color 0 on this first plot is a vibrant green with a thick line weight, and the color 1 is a vibrant red with a thick line weight as well. Then go ahead and click OK. And just to note again, to make my point about the whole secret indicator thing, you can see on this indicator right here, you can see at least 169 people have seen that particular indicator. And if we pull up the other indicator here, you can see over 1,000 people, almost 2,000 people have seen this indicator. So they're definitely not secret indicators by no means. Now back to the strategy here. So what we're looking for a short trade, we're looking for when the range filter up here on top, the band here turns red. It's kind of hard to see, but it turns red right here. We're then going to look down to the Hall oscillator, and we want it to have a red line like this here. And at the same time, we want to have a red candlestick like this here. And that'll be our signal to then enter into a short. And so we'll put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right above this pivot area here and target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And for a long trade, what we are looking for is we're looking for the ribbon from the range filter to turn green. It's really hard to see because it's buried behind price action right here, but what you can do is go in and hide the price action, zoom in really tight on this, and you can see it switches from green to red, then back to green right here on this candle there. And then what we're going to do is look down to the halt oscillator, and we want it to have a green line like this here. And then lastly, we want a green bar when all this takes place. And that'll be our signal to then enter into a long. We'll put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right below this pivot area here and target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like so. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. And again, we get this really nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test, and out of those 50 trades, we got 22 winning trades and 28 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 44% win rate. And so with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $13,200. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total loss would have been $11,200. It would have put your total profit and loss at a gain of $2,000. So not a horrible strategy. Definitely made a little bit of profit, but also not super great as well. You figure, I think it was over a 2-month period of time, and so $2,000 over 2 months isn't exactly huge money. But nonetheless, it was able to maintain profitability, and so again, not horrible. Now, during the same period of time, we did right at 29 trades with the Academy of Forex Indicator. We had right at a 79% win rate and a total gain right at $13,000. So definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for our Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90%, and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the yes list and move on to the next video from here.